Hi everyone, it's your favorite time of the month again, Ding Ding Kitchen time. Today, we're going to be making a delicious beef and broccoli stir fry with black bean sauce. Let's get started. The beef I'll be using today is flank steak. And yes, the grass-fed ones always taste better. Thinly slice the beef just like this. Now we can marinate the beef. Baking soda, cornstarch, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little white pepper, and oil. Mix well. Now we will refrigerate for a minimum of 30 minutes. Next, we can chop up the vegetables. This beef and broccoli stir fry is 20 times better than your local takeout spot.
짠 좀 먹었잖아.
In a small pot with boiling water, add a pinch of salt and oil. Now we can blanch the broccoli for about 3 minutes. While we wait, we can prepare the sauce. Water, chicken bouillon, cornstarch, oyster sauce, sugar, and dark soy sauce. Stir well. Look at that! The broccoli is now ready. Next, we will velvet the beef by deep frying it for a few seconds. Once you put it in, break it apart and bring it up. Then place it back into the oil for a few more seconds. Be sure to not overcook it. As an alternative, you can stir fry the beef in a non-stick pan. In a wok, add a little bit of oil and stir fry the onions. Add the peppers. Now we can add the black bean sauce. This is the one I'll be using today. It has garlic already, so it's very convenient. Stir fry until aromatic, then add a little bit of cooking wine. Now add the sauce. I just checked my watch and it looks like it's amateur hour because I forgot to stir the sauce before I poured it in. Please don't be like me, otherwise you're going to be panicking and scraping the cornstarch like there's no tomorrow. Now we can add the broccoli. And then the beef. Lastly, add a few drops of sesame oil. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.